Am I audible? Can anyone confirm whether my video or audio? Do you have any issues? Chat option enable irukala. Okay. So yesterday we started partnership. So in this partnership, definition of partnership is a relationship between two or more persons who agree to share the profits of the business. Business is carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Also we discussed about silent features of partnership. If profit sharing ratio is not given, it should be shared equally. No for three things: no interest on capital, no interest on drawings, no salary or remuneration. Interest on loan not given, it should be paid at 6%. Then we discussed about profit sharing ratio. We did few questions on profit sharing ratio. Also last we discussed about interest on drawings. What is interest on drawings? It is a compensation paid by partner to firm. It should be calculated on drawings. Drawings two classification we have. One is date of drawings given, another one is date of drawings not given. If date of drawings is given, calculate interest from date of drawings till the year end. If date of drawings is not given, we have two classification: regular drawings and irregular drawings. If it is regular, three classification: beginning, middle, end. Adula we have further three classification: monthly, quarterly and half-yearly. And also I have given some average numbers. If it is monthly, the numbers are 6.5, 6, 5.5, and if it is quarterly, the numbers are 7.5, 6 and 4.5. If it is half-yearly, the numbers are 9, 6, 3. Today we will discuss what are these numbers are, and if it is irregular, it should be calculated for the period of 6 months அப்படின்றதும் பார்த்தோம். So now we do some problems on this. Yesterday we discussed about product method also. I have given one example. We had two drawings. First drawings on 1st January, second drawings on 28th of February. For the drawings which take place on 1st January, we should calculate interest for 3 months. For the drawings which is taken place on February 28, we should calculate interest for 1 month அப்படின் பார்த்தோம். Also we discussed about product method. In product method, following columns we have date, amount, number of months and product. Amount should be multiplied with number of months to get product. And what is the formula under product method? Total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. And we get the same answer of 500. Earlier also we had the same answer. Now also we have the same answer. Now to proceed further, next one we will do some questions on this interest on drawings. So yesterday we completed up to question number 19. Now we will take up to question number 18 we have completed. Now we will take up question number 19. Take question number 19. Read this question. A, K were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:4. A withdrew rupees 20,000 in the beginning of every alternative month starting from 1st April 23 during the year ended 31st March 2024. Calculate interest for interest on A's drawings if the interest on drawings is 6%. and year end is 31st of March 2024. So we will solve this question by using product method. First go through this question. So it is very easy question. We learned the concept of product method. We will apply this concept product method here. First of all, we have two partners A and K, and A only withdrew the amount. He withdrew 20,000 at the beginning of every alternative month. What is the meaning of alternative month? First drawings happened on 1st April 2023. Okay, he withdrew at the beginning of every month starting from 1st April 23. What is the next drawing? Next drawings happened on 1/6/2023. Next drawing happened after 2 months, that is 1/8/2023. Again, next drawings happened on 1/10/23. Next drawing again happened on 1/12/2023. Next February 1st February 2024. Like this, totally in a year, how many times we have withdrawn the amount means totally we have withdrawn the amount 6 times. On 1st April, 1st June, 1st August, also 1st October, 1st December and 1st February. This is the date of drawing. How much is withdrawn? Every month 20,000 is withdrawn. So these are the date of drawing. Every month how much amount is withdrawn? 20,000 is the amount withdrawn. Now we need to calculate number of month for which interest to be calculated. See, first drawings happened on 1st April. April and 31st of March, because year end is 31st of March. Till year end 31st March 24, how many months we have means 12 months we have. For the drawings which happened on 1st June 23, we need to calculate interest for a period of 10 months. For the drawings which happened on 1st August, we need to calculate interest for 8 months. For 1st October, we need to calculate interest for a period of 6 months. 1st December 4 months. 1st February 2 months. So we had the following column: amount, number of months, product. Amount over, number of month also over. Next product. How to calculate product? 20,000 into 12, 2,40,000. 20,000 into 10, 2 lakhs. 20,000 into 8, 1,60,000. 20,000 into 6, 1,20,000. 20,000 into 4, 80,000. 20,000 into 2, 40,000. So tell me, what is the total? Product order total you should tell. So what is the total, pa? 2,40,000 plus 2 lakh plus 1,60,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 80,000 plus 40,000 will give you 8,40,000. அப்போ product method we should apply. What is the product method? It is 8,40,000 into rate. What is the rate of interest? 6%. So 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. அப்போ 100 to cancel. This is 1 time, this is 2 time, 4,200. So final answer is 4,200. Let's check. Yes, we have the option 4,200. So answer for this question is, it is 4,200. Any doubts in this question? Can we proceed further? Chat option la you can tell your response. Okay, I am proceeding. Next one, next question. N and P are partners. N withdrew 3 lakh during the year for personal use. The partnership deed provides for charging interest on drawings at the rate of 10%. Interest on drawings for the year ended 31st March 2024 will be. Tell me what is the answer. Tell your doubts in chat, ma. Isha. Okay. Next question. It is drawings is given 3 lakh. When I give the notes, I have told drawings is classified into 2. What are the 2 classification for drawings? One is date given, another one is date not given. If date is given, I told you that from the date of drawing till year end you should calculate interest அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன். If date of drawings is not given, we had 2 classification. Oh, chat இப்பதான் enable ஆச்சா? Okay. Chat disabled இருக்கா? Okay. Okay, date of drawings given na from the date, chat option disabled irukன்றanga, check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. From the date of drawing till year end you should calculate. Chat everyone. அப்படியா? சரி. From the date till year end you should calculate. If date is not given, we have 2 classification. One is regular, another one is irregular. If it is regular, we had 3 classification: beginning, middle, end அப்படினு. அதில் we had further classification: monthly, quarterly, half yearly அப்படின்லாம். If it is irregular, it should be calculated for a period of 6 months. அப்போ first of all, date is given. இந்த கொஷினில் பாருங்கள், date given, date not given பாருங்கள். ஸோ இந்த கொஷினில் date is not given. அப்போ அதில் 2 classification we had, regular and irregular. This will come under what category? Means irregular, because every month drawings is not there, or every quarter drawings is not there, every half yearly drawings is not there. Drawings is irregular, அப்போ we should calculate for the period of 6 months. Interest should be calculated for a period of what? 6 months. அப்போ எப்படி calculate பண்ணோன்னா ரொம்ப simple. It is 3 lakhs into 10%. This is for 1 year. I told you we should calculate for 6 months. அப்போ this into 6 by 12 will give you the interest. So 3 lakhs into 10% into 6 by 12 will give you the interest. So interest comes to 15,000 rupees. 15,000 is the interest. Okay, so answer is 15,000. Next question. R and HR partners are withdrawn rupees 9,000 at the end of each quarter. He withdrew 9,000 at the end of each quarter. So each quarter drawings is there. When there is a drawings for each quarter, we need to calculate interest. How to calculate interest? I told you we have 2 classification, regular and irregular. If it is regular, we had 3 classification, beginning, middle, end. In this they are telling that it is quarterly drawings. For quarterly, what is the numbers? Yesterday I discussed. What is the number for quarterly? 7.5, 6 and 4.5. 7.5, 6 and what? 4.5. These are the numbers for average period. It means that we need to calculate interest. 9,000 is given. So 9,000 is for 1 quarter. 9,000 is for 1 quarter. So what is monthly drawings? 9,000 divided by 3. If half yearly drawings are given, 9,000 divided by 6. If yearly drawings are given, that amount divided by 12. Here it is quarterly drawings, so it should be divided by 3. When you divide this quarterly drawings by 3, actually you will be getting drawings of 1 month. And this should be multiplied with rate. What is the rate of interest? 6% is the rate of interest. So 9,000 into 6% into 4.5 months. 9,000 into 6% into what? 9,000 divided by 3, it is 3,000. 3,000 into 6% into 4.5 month. Appa effective interest comes to how much amount? Means 810. Appa we should calculate interest for how much? Means 810. So what is the answer for this question? Question number 21. It is option D. Next, one more question. Question number 22. V and M are partners. M withdraws fixed amount at the end of every quarter. Appa meaning this is what drawings means. Quarterly interest should be calculated. Interest on drawings is charged at how much amount? 15% per annum. At the end of the year, interest on M's drawings amounted to rupees 9,000. Appa interest on drawings charged on drawings for M is for how many months? So question la what they are asking, when it is quarterly and it is at the end of each quarter, interest should be effectively calculated for how many months? That is what they are asking. Okay. So you should be calculating the interest. Group chat disable ஆனாலும் எனக்கு நீங்கள் chat சென்ட் பண்ண முடியும், அதில் சென்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க உங்கள் ஆன்சரை. Okay. So what is the answer for this question number 22? இப்போ தான் பார்த்தோம். At the end of each quarter na, it should be calculated for a period of how many months? Means 4.5 months. அப்போ 4.5 is the answer. So answer for question number 22 is C. Next question, it is about profit and loss appropriation account. First we need to learn the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Also we need to learn something about capital account. In case of partnership, we will have two accounts. One is called P&L appropriation account. Another one we call it as capital account. P&L appropriation meaning profit and loss, the term appropriation meaning distribution. Whatever profit earned by the partners, that profit will be distributed to various persons. How the profit will be distributed? That will be distributed through an account called what account? Means P&L appropriation account. How this P&L appropriation account is prepared? This P&L appropriation account is prepared after preparation of P&L account. In the account order starting point is by net profit. By net profit. After preparation of P&L, this P&L appropriation account is prepared. Idoda starting point is by net profit. And what are the things will come in debit side of P&L appropriation? It is 2, interest on capital. 2, salary to partner. 2, commission to partner. 2, share of profit to partner. இது எல்லாமே பார்ட்னருக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய பணம். And one more thing will come in credit side of P&L appropriation, which is opposite of interest on capital, that is interest on drawings. What is the format of P&L appropriation? Very very simple. Credit side la 2 things will come, debit side la 4 things, interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit. What is arrived as a balancing figure means share of profit is arrived as a balancing figure. So this is the format of which account? P&L appropriation account. So tell me everybody, what is the format of P&L appropriation? Credit side la 2 things, one is by net profit, இன்னொன்று by interest on drawings. Debit side la 4 things, interest on capital, salary, commission to partner and share of profit to partner. That's all. So இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த கொஸ்டின் இருக்கு. read question number 23, 3 marks question. So far we have done 1 mark question. Now we started to do 3 mark question also. Read question number 23. P and R are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Balance in fixed capital account on 1st April was 6 lakh and 8 lakh. The partnership deed provided for allowing interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2024 comes to 1,26,000. Question order requirement: prepare P&L appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 24. Show your workings clearly. That's all. Go through this question. So we know the format of P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation oda format namak theriyum. In the question la salary not given, salary to partner is not given. Profit sharing ratio is given. What is the profit sharing ratio? 5:3. Where anna question la kuduthirukku. Interest on capital is given. That's all. 2 things alone given. So in the question we have interest on capital, we have share of profit, we don't have other things. This other things and all not there. Only credit side la one thing, what is that? By net profit. What is the net profit earned by the firm? Firm has earned how much net profit? Net profit is 1,26,000. Now we have 2 things. One is interest on capital, another one is share of profit. First interest and capital பாருங்க, how much amount அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். In the partnership deed provides for allowing interest on capital at the rate of 12%. அப்போ what is interest on capital? Working for interest on capital. What is the interest on capital of partner? First partner P oda interest on capital, and second R oda interest on capital. Tell me what is the capital amount of P oda capital evlo? 6 lakh. R oda capital 8 lakh. Appa 6 lakh we have, also we have capital of 8 lakh. We need to calculate interest at the rate of 12%. So 6 lakh into 12%, 8 lakhs into 12%. 6 lakh into 12% will give you 72,000. 8 lakh into 12%, 8 lakh into 12% will give you 96,000. It means total to pay interest on capital, how much is required? 72,000 plus 96,000. Total we require how much amount? 1,68,000. To pay interest on capital alone, we require how much amount means 1,68,000 is required. But what is the profit earned by this firm? This firm has earned a profit of only 1,26,000. 26,000 தான் profit earn பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஆனால் interest on capital pay பண்ணவே how much is required na? 1,68,000 required. அப்போ definitely the profit which you earned is not sufficient to pay interest on capital. Yesterday we discussed one point. If profits are not sufficient to pay interest on capital, then such insufficient profit to be shared in what ratio means? Capital ratio. Such insufficient profit to be shared in what ratio? Capital ratio. அப்போ இந்த 1,26,000 profit இருக்குல்ல, that we are going to give us interest on capital. In what ratio we are going to give na? We are going to give it in what ratio? Capital ratio. We are going to give it in what ratio? Capital ratio. What is the capital ratio in this question? The question la capital ratio enna? It is 6 lakh into 8 lakh. Appa 6 is to 4. 6 is to 8. 6 is to 8 is nothing but 3 is to 4. Appa this 1,26,000 you should share in. 1,26,000 you should share in what ratio means? 3 is to 4. What is 1,26,000 in 3 is to 4? 1,26,000 3 is to 4 la piricha. 1,26,000 in 3 is to 4. For partner P க்கு என்ன amount? P ஓட interest on capital எவ்வளோ? லைட் போட்டு P ஓட interest on capital பாருங்க 1,26,000. ரொம்ப இதா இருக்கு. 1,26,000 in 3 is to 4. How much amount P க்கு? It is 54,000. And second partner R க்கு 1,26,000 3 is to 4. 54,000 and 72,000. That's all. We can give only this amount. Interest on capital alone we can give. We cannot give what amount means. எந்த amount நம்மளால கொடுக்க முடியாதுன்னா share of profit லாம் கொடுக்க முடியாது இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல. Because the profit which you earned is not sufficient to pay interest on capital itself. நம்ம earn பண்ணியிருக்கிற profit interest on capital pay பண்ணவே பத்தல. அப்போ whatever profit we have, that profit to be given only as what na? Interest on capital. That's all. 3 marks for this. Nothing. Just 2 points tested. Insufficient profit na எப்படி share பண்ணணும் profit. And second thing, format of P&L appropriation account. That's all. Okay, next question. Minimum guaranteed profit. Many times this concept is tested. Same type of question again and again they are asking. Very easy concept. First of all, what is minimum guaranteed profit? Minimum guaranteed profit means separate இதுக்கு already notes கொடுத்திருக்கேன் startingல. Two types of actually guarantee la we have two types of problem they are frequently asking. Minimum guaranteed profit. Guarantee of profit means a minimum guaranteed profit is given to a partner or a partners of the firm. Already I told you firm means collectively partners are called as firm. It may be given by partner or it may be partners or by firm. When more than one partner gives guarantee, that is called as guarantee by what na? Firm. அப்போ இதுக்கு தான் இந்த சம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ரீட் த ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின் ஃபார் மினிமம் guaranteed profit. First question for minimum guaranteed profit. EFG were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. F was guaranteed that 25,000 as her share of profit in the firm. Any deficiency arising on account of capital was met by E. The firm earned a profit of 90,000 for the year ended 31st March 24. The profit credited to F capital was. What is the share of profit for F? They are asking. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, so we have concept of minimum guaranteed profit. So we have earned a profit of 90,000. In the 90,000 profit, we should give it for 3 people, E, F, G. What is the profit sharing ratio? 5:3:1, 5, 3, 1, 9. அப்போ 90,000 divided by 9, 10,000. 10,000 into 5, 50,000. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. 10,000 into 1, 10,000. ஆக்சுவலாக கொடுத்துருக்கிற ப்ராஃபிட்டை பிரித்தா 3 பேருக்கு 50, 30, 10 இதான் சினாரியோ. Now what they are telling that F is given guarantee that F will receive a minimum profit of 25,000. F minimum எவ்வளோ ப்ராஃபிட் ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவோன்னு சொல்கிறான்னா 25,000. But remember, this 25,000 is not maximum profit. The 25,000 is minimum profit. Minimum எவ்வளோ ப்ராஃபிட் வரும்னா 25,000. But actual profit given in the question is 30,000. அப்போ actual profit will be paid. Suppose actual profit is less than minimum guaranteed profit, அப்போ minimum guaranteed profit will be paid. But here actual profit is more than minimum guaranteed profit, so actual profit of 30,000 will be paid. So in this question, what will be paid to partner means 30,000 will be paid to partner. Partner answer is 30,000. Same type of question again asked. See, M or G are partners and they share the profit sharing ratio in 6:4:1. 6, 4, 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. M guaranteed a profit of 50,000 to G. M guaranteed a profit of 50,000 to G. M gives guarantee to G. அப்போ யாருக்கு கேரண்டி கொடுத்துருக்கோம்னா ஜிக்கு கேரண்டி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நெட் ப்ராஃபிட் ஃபார் த இயர் ended is 1,10,000. M share of profit M share of profit of the firm after giving guaranteed amount to G will be. It means first basic what is the profit earned? 1,10,000. First in the 1,10,000 you share in profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio? 6:4:1. அப்போ 1,10,000 6:4:1 பிரிச்சா you will be getting 60,000, 40,000 and 10,000. கரெக்டா? Now bring the concept of minimum guaranteed profit. M gives guarantee to G that G will receive a minimum profit of 50,000. அப்போ how much is the deficit we have? 40,000. Here guarantee is given by which partner? யார் guarantee கொடுத்துருக்கா? Guarantee கொடுத்தது M. அப்போ Mக்கு this 40,000 will be subtracted and Gக்கு 40,000 will be added. What is the requirement of the question? Question ஓட requirement என்ன? M will be getting how much share of profit அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ 60,000ல 40,000 if you gives guarantee, அப்போ M will be receiving how much amount na? 20,000 M will be receiving. அப்போ answer for this question is 20,000. Next, try next question. Next question நீங்களே try பண்ணி answer பண்ணுங்க. Same concept. திருப்பி இதே கொஷின் தான் வருது, அதனால் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் ட்ரை த நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். EFG were partners, profit sharing ratio 4:3:2, 3:1, 4, 3, 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. F was guaranteed 25,000 as share in profit. Any deficiency will be shared by E. Profit earned is 80,000. What is the amount of profit credited to F? Please try. Whoever attending, please do tell your answers in chat. ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ பாருங்கள், ப்ராஃபிட் எவ்வளோ ஏர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? 80,000 ப்ராஃபிட் ஏர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். 80,000 ப்ராஃபிட் வி ஷுட் ஷேர் இன் வாட் ரேஷியோ? 4:3:1. ஹூ ஆர் த த்ரீ பார்ட்னர்? EFG. 80,000 ப்ராஃபிட் ஷேர் பண்ணால் யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் 40,000, 30,000 அண்ட் 10,000. ஹூ இஸ் கிவன் கேரண்டி டு whom? F was guaranteed. அப்போ F is the guaranteed partner. And F will receive how much amount? F will receive minimum profit of how much? 25,000. Remember, it is 25,000 is what profit? Minimum profit. But in actual profit is 30. அப்போ minimum ஓட ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குது. அப்போ actual profit will be given. அப்போ actual profit of 30 will be given. So answer is A. Next, question number 27. EFG. நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கள். அதே கான்செப்ட் தான் திருப்பி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Listen pa. So what is the answer? First, EFG, three partners. What is the profit sharing ratio? It is 4:3:1. What is the profit earned? 80,000. 4:3:1. E 40,000, F 30,000, G 10,000. Who is given guarantee? F was guaranteed 35,000. Appa F will receive 35,000. This guarantee was given by which partner? The guarantee, F was guaranteed as 35,000 as a share. What is the requirement of the question? F is credited with how much amount? 30 or 35? Actual profit is 30. But minimum கொடுக்க வேண்டியது அந்த வேர்ட்லேயே இருக்குது, மினிமமாக 35. அப்போ we should give whatனா 35. அப்போ answer is 35,000. See, மினிமமாக கொடுக்க வேண்டியதே 35. ஆனால் ஆக்சுவல் ப்ராஃபிட் இஸ் 30. எப்பயுமே ஆக்சுவல் ப்ராஃபிட் கொடுப்போன்னு இல்லை. ஃபஸ்ட்டு மினிமம் வந்து 10,000 வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஆக்சுவல் ப்ராஃபிட் 12. அப்போ ஆக்சுவல் வில் பி கிவன். மினிமம் 10, ஆனால் ஆக்சுவல் ப்ராஃபிட்டு இஸ் 8,000. அப்போ மினிமம் ப்ராஃபிட் வில் பி கிவன். ஸோ அதான் இந்த லாஜிக். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் 35,000. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கொஷின் நம்பர் 28. ப்ளீஸ் ட்ரை. Three marks. They also ask journal entry. Read the question. VMA are partners. Profit sharing ratio 2:5, 3:5. A was given a guarantee that his share in profit in any year would not be less than 1,20,000. Deficiency, if any, should be borne by V and M equally. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2024 amounted to 2 lakh. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of firm for division of profit. அப்போ profit divisionக்கு they are asking journal entry. First go through this question. unique question. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணல. ஸோ அதனால் ஃபஸ்ட்டு we will solve this. What they are asking? They are asking us to pass journal entry. First, what is the profit we have? Total net profit for the year is 2 lakh. What is the minimum guaranteed profit? It is 1,20,000. Now 2 lakh is the profit. What is the profit sharing ratio? Profit sharing ratio 2:3:5. 2:3:5. Who are the partners? VMA are partners. VMA are partners. அப்போ first share the profit. VMA profit first share பண்ணுங்க. 2 lakhs divided by 10 into 2, it is V க்கு 40,000, M க்கு 60,000 and A க்கு 1 lakh. இதான் ப்ராஃபிட்டை பிரிச்சா வரும். இப்போ bring the concept of minimum guaranteed profit. minimum guaranteed profit ஓட கான்செப்டை கொண்டு வாங்க. Who is given guarantee to whom? Who gives guarantee? A was given guarantee that A will be receiving how much amount? 1,20,000. minimum எவ்வளோ ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவான்? A எவ்வளோ ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவான்னா 1,20,000 A will receive அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். அப்போ if A will receive 1,20,000, how much is the deficiency we have? எவ்வளோ deficiency இருக்குன்னா we have a deficiency of 20,000. This 20,000 will be shared by 2 persons. This deficiency, if any, will be shared equally அப்படின்ற வேர்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ ஈக்குவலாக ஷேர் பண்ணால் other 2 partners will share 10,000 and 10,000. It means that V oda share of profit will be 30,000, M oda share of profit will be 50,000 and A oda share of profit will be 1,20,000. For which 2 journal entry to be made? What are the 2 entries to be made? First, profit distribution of 2 lakh to partners. அதுக்கு ஒரு entry pass பண்ணோம். What is the entry for distributing the profit? P&L appropriation account debit. P&L appropriation account debit to V's capital, to M's capital, to A's capital. P&L appropriation account debit to V's capital, to M's capital and to A's capital. It means P&L appropriation account debit for how much amount? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs in what ratio? 2:3:5. It means first V kit is 40,000, M kit is 60,000, A kit is 1 lakh. 2 lakhs we shared in what ratio? Na profit sharing ratio to V's capital, to M's capital, to A's capital. First pass normal entry for distribution of profit. Now we need to pass the entry for adjustment of this minimum guaranteed profit. We have given guarantee to A that A will receive minimum profit of 1,20,000. அப்போ deficit is 20,000. This 20,000 is shared by 2 partners V and M. அப்போ அதுக்கு ஒரு entry pass பண்ணோம். What is the journal entry? It is very simple. 2 partners has to bring the amount. Okay, who are the 2 partners who are bringing the amount? V and M are bringing the amount. அப்போ entry V account debit, M account debit to P and V account debit, M account debit to A's capital. அப்போ V's capital account debit for 10,000, M's capital account debit for 10,000 and to A's capital will be 20,000. அப்போ journal entry for this V's capital account debit, M's capital account debit to A's capital will be for 20,000. That's all. So 2 entries you should pass along with narration. Narration you definitely you should write in your exams. If you are not writing narration, they will reduce marks. To avoid this, always write the entry. First one என்ன narration எழுதலாம்? Very simple. Being profit is distributed to partners. Being profit distributed to partners in P of profit sharing ratio. Second one என்ன narration எழுதலாம்? Deficiency of A shared between, deficiency of A is shared between V and M அப்படினு ஒரு narration you should write. That's all. So this is the answer for 2 entries is the answer for question number 28. Question number 28 ஓட answer இதான். Very good. Some people told this answer. Good. Next, proceeding further. Next question. A and B entered into partnership on 1st October. Be careful with calculating interest. Don't calculate for 1 year. While calculating interest, calculate for 6 months because year end is 31st of March. With a capital of 80 lakhs and 60 lakh. They decided to share the profits and losses equally. Profit sharing ratio வந்து equally. Partners are entitled to get interest at the rate of 10% per annum. அப்போ interest on capital we have. Also we have profit sharing ratio. Capital is given. As per the provisions of partnership deed, B is given a guarantee that his share of profit after charging interest on capital would not be less than 7 lakh per annum. அப்போ minimum guaranteed profit concept we have. What is the minimum guaranteed profit, which is 7 lakh? Any deficiency arising on account of that shall be met by Akash. So B is given guarantee by Akash. Akash gives guarantee to B. The profits of the firm for the year ended 31st March 24 amounting to 13 lakhs. Question order requirement: prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So P&L appropriation account they are asking. Please try first. போன கொஸ்டின் மாதிரி போன கொஸ்டினை பேஸாக வச்சு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Definitely this will come for exam. Minimum guaranteed profit concept. கொஸ்டினில் நிறைய இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டினை கோ த்ரூ பண்ணுங்கள். So இந்த கொஷினில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் we will calculate. ஃபஸ்ட்டு calculate and tell me the interest on capital amount. ஃபஸ்ட்டு அக்டோபர், அதனால் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக calculate பண்ணுங்கள். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டலோட அமௌண்ட்டை ஃபஸ்ட்டு calculate பண்ணுங்கள். 8 lakh கேபிட்டல், 60 lakh கேபிட்டல், 8 lakh into 10%, 8 lakh. அதில் 6/12 4 lakhs. 60 lakhக்கு 10%, 60 lakhக்கு 10%, 6 lakh. 6 lakh into 6/12 will give you 3 lakhs. இப்போ கொஸ்டினோட ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரிக்குவயர்மெண்ட் P&L appropriation account. Question number 29. P&L appropriation account, P&L appropriation account, so first it is to interest on capital. Capital oda amount 80 lakhs 60 lakh, 80 lakhs into 10% into 6/12. Another partner B oda interest on capital 60 lakh into 10% into 6/12. அப்போ 80 lakhs into 10%, 8 lakhs into 6/12, 4 lakh. 60 lakh into 10%, 6 lakh. 6 lakh into 6/12 will give you 3 lakhs. It means to pay interest on capital, how much is required means 7 lakh. But what is the net profit earned during the year? Net profit earned is 13 lakh. It means profits are sufficient to pay interest on capital. For interest on capital we will pay 7 lakhs we will pay as interest on capital. Now we need to apply the concept of minimum guaranteed profit. இப்போ இந்த 7 lakhs profit share பண்ணா how it will be shared? If you see what is the balance profit, total net profit is 13 lakh less interest on capital which is how much, 7 lakhs. அப்போ 13 minus 7 will give you 6 lakh. This 6 lakh if you is share of profit, if you share this profit 6 lakh between A and B, this profits to be shared in profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio given in the question? Question என்ன profit sharing ratio கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Second lineல பாருங்க. They decided to share the profits and losses equally. They decided to share the profits and losses equally. Equal share பண்ணனும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப 6 lakh profit if you share equally, A will get 3 lakh, B will get 3 lakhs. Now include the concept of minimum guaranteed profit. என்ன minimum guaranteed profitல சொல்றாங்க? It is share of profit அப்படின்னு சொல்லி share of profit அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இப்ப கொடுக்க போறோம். யார் யார் ரெண்டு பேரு? A and B. இதுல Aக்கு மினிமமா நம்ம எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாகணும்? Aக்கு we should give how much amount? இருக்கிறதே profit எவ்வளவுதான்ப்பா இருக்கு? We have a profit of only 6 lakh பா. ஆனா இப்போ நீ profit sharing ratio படி ஷேர் பண்ணா A and B are getting only how much amount? 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs. ஆனா Aக்கு மட்டுமே எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாகணும்? நம்ம மினிமமா எவ்வளவு profit கொடுத்தாகணும்னா 7 lakhs கொடுத்தாகணும். அப்ப what is the deficit அப்படின்னு பாருங்க. A ஓட deficit is 4 lakh. இந்த deficit யார் bear பண்ணனும்னா B has to bear the deficit. Okay, அப்ப B க்கு -4 lakh. ஆனா இருக்கிற ப்ராஃபிட்டே எவ்வளவுதான்? இருக்கிற ப்ராஃபிட்டே எவ்வளவுதான் அப்படினா 3 lakhs தான் அவனுக்கு இருக்கு. அப்ப B has to bring how much amount as amount he has to bring na 1 lakh he has to bring. அப்பதான் we can give the amount of 7 lakhs to partner A. I will repeat again. மொத்தமா இந்த क्वेश्चनல profit இருக்குது எவ்வளவுனா 13 lakhs இருக்கு profit டோட்டலா. With the 13 lakh profit, first we will pay interest on capital. If you pay interest on capital, how much amount will paid as interest on capital? 7 lakhs will be paid as interest on capital. Once you pay interest on capital, balance we have a profit of 6 lakh. This 6 lakh profit you share in profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio? It is 1:1. 6 lakh if you share in profit sharing ratio, each partner will get 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs. But A is யாருக்கு guarantee கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? B is given guarantee. B க்கு நம்ம என்ன guarantee கொடுத்திருக்கோம்னா B will receive minimum how much amount na 7 lakhs B will receive னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். அப்ப how much is the deficit na 4 lakh is the deficit. Who has to bear the deficit na A has to bear the deficit. ஆனா A க்கு இருக்கிற profit எவ்வளவு தான் இருக்குனா 3 lakhs தான் இருக்கு. It means A has to bring how much amount towards B means 1 lakh he has to bring towards B. Then only we can pay the amount of 7 lakhs to partner A. அப்ப what we should do means first we will ask partner A to bring cash. அப்போ A will bring some amount that will be credited to P&L appropriation account. A will bring 1 lakh as amount. அப்போ credit side total now it is 14 lakh. 14 lakh already we paid what na interest on capital 7 lakh, and now we will pay the amount only to which partner means B. B's capital will be paid with how much amount means 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs will be full amount will be paid only to B. Appa with this we have credit side total as 14 lakh. That's all over. Good question, because it is testing two concepts. P&L appropriation also tested. Interest on capital also tested. Interest on capital we have one twist, because the date of starting the business is 1st October. When you calculate interest for the year ended 31st March, you should calculate from 1st October to 31st March. 1st October to 31st March we have a period of only 6 months. அந்த 6 monthsக்கு interest calculate பண்ணோம். அப்புறமா மினிமம் கேரண்டீட் ப்ராஃபிட்டும் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஒரே கொஸ்டினில் 3 கான்செப்ட் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கான். மினிமம் கேரண்டீட் ப்ராஃபிட் டெஸ்டட், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் டெஸ்டட், ஆல்சோ P&L appropriation is tested. Good question. Have you understood this? Can we go to the next question? Okay, I am proceeding. Next one, next concept, it is about valuation of goodwill. Before that, few more things we need to learn. Go to the concept. So concept la enna complete பண்ணிட்டோம் பாருங்க. At most 1 unit full we completed. Okay, concept first page la concept பாருங்க. என்னென்ன விஷயம் இப்போ வரைக்கும் complete பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஒரு quick summary. First, what is partnership ன்னு சொன்னேன். Tell me, join with me. What is partnership? Partnership is a relationship between two or more persons who agree to share the profits of the business. Business is carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Second, we discussed about silent features of partnership. 5 things I told you. Tell me, what are the things I told for silent features? Profit sharing ratio not given, it should be shared equally. No for 3 things. No interest on capital, no interest on drawings, no salary or remuneration. Interest on loan not given, it should be paid at 6%. Interest on capital பத்தி 5 points படிச்சோம். What is the meaning of interest on capital? It is a compensation paid by firm to partners. It should be calculated on opening capital. How it should be calculated? Proportionately it should be calculated. What is the source for interest on capital? It is current year profit. In case of loss, no interest on capital. In case of insufficient profit, such insufficient profit to be shared in what ratio means capital ratio. அப்புறம் interest on drawings பற்றி படித்தோம். What is interest on drawings? It is a compensation paid by partner to firm. It should be calculated on drawings. Drawings la 2 classification, date given, date not given. If date is given, from the date till year end we should calculate. If date is not given, again 2 classification, regular, irregular. Regular we have 3 classification, beginning, middle, end. Adula we have 3 classification, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly. Numbers are 6.5, 6, 5.5, quarterly 7.5, 6, 4.5, half-yearly 963. இதெல்லாமே average number. It should be applied on monthly interest. Quarterly given கொடுத்திருந்தா divided by 3, half-yearly கொடுத்திருந்தா divided by 6, yearly divided by 12. If it is irregular, it should be calculated for a period of 6 months அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். அதான் இங்கே சொல்லியிருக்கேன். Above numbers are what number na? Average number. It should be applied on what interest? Monthly interest. Generally partnership la drawings ன்னு சொன்னா it is drawings of profit, not drawings of capital. அப்புறம் also we learned about what method na? Product method. Product method la என்னென்ன column ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? It is date, drawings, amount of drawings, number of months and product. Product method la formula என்ன? Total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12 அப்படின்றது தான் formula. ஸோ இதான் நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். Also we completed minimum guaranteed profit. Minimum guaranteed la 2 types of guarantee, guarantee by partner, guarantee by firm. More than one partner gives guarantee, that is called as guarantee by firm. And adula various question we did. Minimum profit is 10,000, but minimum profit is 10,000, actual profit is 15,000. அப்போ actual profit 15 will be paid.
Minimum profit is 10,000, actual profit is 8,000, அப்போ minimum profit will be paid. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதான் அந்த கான்செப்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் கான்செப்ட் இஸ் வெரி ஈஸி கான்செப்ட். இட் இஸ் அபவுட் கமிஷன். கமிஷனில் 2 types of commission we have. One is before charging commission, another one is after charging commission. Before charging commission na rate by 100, after charging commission na rate by 100 plus R. Sometimes commission will be calculated on sales. அதுலேயும் we have net sales into rate by 100. அவ்வளோதான். கமிஷனை பற்றி செப்பரேட்டாக we don't have any questions. அதனால் கமிஷன் ரிலேட்டடாக we are not going to solve questions. Next I told you about format of what account means. P&L appropriation account. So format of P&L appropriation, credit side by net profit, interest on drawings, 2 interest on capital, salary, commission, reserves. What do you mean by reserves? Whenever we earn profit, from the earned profit we will transfer some amount to reserve. அதுதான் வந்து நம்ம பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் லைபிலிட்டியாக காமிப்போம். தென் லாஸ்ட்டாக ஷேர் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல். இதை வச்சு சம் இருக்குது. செப்பரேட்டாக we will prepare capital account. Format of capital. Capital we have 2 systems. One is fixed capital system, another one is fluctuating capital system. Under fixed capital system 2 accounts will be opened. One is capital account, another one is current account. Capital is a liability, will come in the credit side by balance brought down, and capital order closing balance will come as to balance brought down. If at all any additional capital contributed, if at all capital is withdrawn, that will come in capital account. Other things will be routed through which account means current account. அப்போ current account la what and all will come? Salary to partner, interest on capital to partner, commission to partner, share of profit to partner, and drawings will come in current account debit side, and as well as interest on drawings also will come in current account debit side. And what is current account is arrived as a balancing figure, closing balance to balance carried down. Separate problems we will solve for capital account. If you combine capital account and current account, that is called as what means fluctuating capital. Opening balance by salary, by interest on capital, by commission, by share of profit. Debit side la 2 drawings, and with drawings what will be added na? Interest on drawings will be added. That's all. Minimum guaranteed profit already we learned. We have many questions for past adjustment. Past adjustment we will do separately. Last goodwill mudichittu past adjustment we will do. இப்போ goodwill related we will have some discussion. Goodwill total we have 3 methods. First method is called as average profit method. Second method is called as super profit method. Third method is called as capitalization method. இதில் average profit methodல goodwill ஓட formula, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. Average profit into what? Number of years of purchase. Goodwill under super profit method, what is the formula? It is super profit into number of years of purchase. It is super profit into number of years of purchase. Capitalization method la goodwill oda formula, it is expected capital minus actual capital. Expected capital minus actual capital. So totally 3 formulas, 3 methods: average profit method, super profit method, capitalization method. Average profit method la goodwill oda formula average profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit method la goodwill oda formula super profit into number of years of purchase. Capitalization method la goodwill oda formula expected capital minus actual capital. Idhula first method average profit method. 2 types of average we have. What are the 2 types of average? Simple average and weighted average. Simple average oda formula sigma x by n, total profit divided by number of years. Weighted average oda formula sigma xw divided by sigma w, total weighted profit divided by total weight. So first simple average oda formula sigma x by n, weighted average oda formula sigma xw divided by sigma w. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit is equal to what? Average profit minus normal profit. What is the formula for super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Appo what is normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Expected capital is equal to average profit. Expected capital is equal to average profit divided by normal rate of return. Average profit divided by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is equal to risk-free return plus risk premium. Risk-free return plus risk premium. So these are the formulas for goodwill. I will give you 1 minute time. Please memorize these formulas. Then we will start doing the problems. By end of Pongal, we should complete at least admission or retirement வரைக்கும் complete பண்ணிடுவோம். நிறைய sums include பண்ணியிருக்கேன். And if you like this, share with your friends, school friends who require this. Share பண்ணுங்க and promote this, because this class is taken for free of cost. No, we are not going to collect any money, so that it will reach many people. So consolidate the formulas. What are the formulas? First one, goodwill. Goodwill is equal to goodwill oda formula. Average profit method la goodwill oda formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit method la formula. Super profit into number of years of purchase. Capitalization method la formula. Expected capital minus actual capital. Hidden goodwill method liyum idhe formula da. Okay, so what is average profit? Two types of average we have. One is called as simple average, another one is called as weighted average. Simple average oda formula sigma x by n, weighted average oda formula sigma xw divided by sigma w. When profits are fluctuating, we will use simple average method. When there is a trend in profit, we will use weighted average. Okay, so now we will start doing super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. What is normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. What is capital employed? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா two approaches we have, asset side approach, liability side approach. This capital employed is nothing but the capital which is invested in the business. Either we can take asset side approach or you can take liability side approach. If you take asset side approach, asset side la take all assets excluding goodwill, don't take non-trade investment, and take all the values at market price, present market price, minus outsider liability will give you what na net asset. Even this is given in the material itself. capital employed, liability side approach. If you take liability side approach, only capital and reserves and surplus and long term borrowing should be taken. Okay, see, capital means capital plus reserves and surplus plus minus goodwill if any. Goodwill balance sheet la kuduthirundha adoda meaning it is purchased goodwill, and existing goodwill edavadhu irundaduna adha minus pannum. Fictitious asset should be minus and non trade investment should be subtracted. இதே asset side approach படி இருந்தா net asset means all assets other than goodwill, non trade investment and fictitious asset. At what price it should be taken? Market price less outsider liability. Okay, whenever goodwill ku edu best approach அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have various capital employed. Sometimes we will take capital employed including debt. Sometimes we will take shareholders fund approach. When I say shareholders fund approach, it consists of both equity shareholders and preference shareholders. Sometimes we will have an approach of only shareholders fund approach. Appa we will be taking only share capital plus reserves and surplus. So like this, goodwill will be valued in various places. Adoda capital employed points is given. Adu related ana points is given. Then remuneration paid to partner should be subtracted from what profit? Average profit. Interest on capital paid should be subtracted from what profit? Average profit. Two things to be subtracted. One is remuneration paid to partner, another one is interest on capital paid to partner. If any abnormal transaction is there, such abnormal transaction should be eliminated. How abnormal transaction will be eliminated? If it is abnormal gain, it should be subtracted. If it is abnormal loss, then such loss should be added. That is how elimination will take place. Abnormal gain should be subtracted, abnormal loss should be added. So இது ரிலேட்டடாக நிறைய கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. அந்த கொஸ்டின்லாம் இப்போ சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம். Valuation of goodwill ரிலேட்டடாக we have many questions. Very important, valuation of goodwill. Take question number 30. Take question number 30. M and P were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:2. Capital is given 5 lakh and 3 lakh. They admitted T as a new partner for 1/4 share in future profit. T bought 4 lakh as capital. Goodwill of the firm is, they are asking. So in this question they are asking what method? Means capitalization method. First go through this question. So try and tell me what is the answer. Capital employed method. This is also called as hidden goodwill method. So we will find the answer. What is the formula we should use? Means it is capitalization method. Expected capital minus actual capital. Goodwill oda formula expected capital minus actual capital. How to find out expected capital? Very simple. Expected capital is equal to new partner order capital is given. What is the capital brought in by new partner T? It is 4 lakh. For 4 lakh we are giving what share in future? Future we are giving 1/4 share. Appa expected capital is equal to 4 lakh into reciprocal of 1/4. New partner oda share oda reciprocal. 1/4 oda reciprocal, it is 4/1. Appa expected capital is 16 lakh. If expected capital is 16 lakh, minus actual capital. What is the actual capital? Expected capital minus actual capital. Actual capital of partner M is 5 lakh. Actual capital of partner P is 3 lakh. Actual capital of partner T is 4 lakh. Don't forget to take new partner capital. Appa 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 lakh. Appa 12 lakh is expected capital. 16 lakh minus 12 lakh will give you goodwill as how much amount? Means 4 lakh. That's all. Try next question. Super profit method. Capital of the firm, capital employed of the firm is given 15 lakh. Market rate of return is 12%. Salary given, salary 20,000 and 30,000. I told you salary paid to partner should be subtracted from average profit. The profits of the firm for the last 3 years is given. 2 lakh 40, 2 lakh 80 and 3 lakh 20. This is given for finding what profit means average profit. Our goodwill of the firm to be calculated on the basis of 2 years purchase of last 3 years average profit. Our goodwill is equal to, calculate goodwill of the firm. Goodwill is equal to, you should calculate. Please just apply the formula and try the answer. Only application of formula. First find average profit, subtract remuneration paid to partner, find normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is given as 15 lakh into normal rate of return 12%. 15 lakh into 12%. Quickly try. First average profit கண்டுபிடிங்க. Okay, average profit la reduce salary of a partner, then find normal profit. Okay, normal profit oda formula capital employed into normal rate of return. அப்புறமா find super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. அப்புறமா ஃபைண்ட் குட்வில். வெறும் ஃபார்முலா அப்ளிகேஷன் தான். ஒரு விஷயமா ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் சொல்லுங்கள். So what is average profit? 2,40,000 plus 2,80,000 plus 3,20,000. 2,40,000 plus 2,80,000 plus 3,20,000. Total எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு? 8,40,000. 8,40,000 divided by 3. Average profit எவ்வளோ? 2 lakhs and ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் எவ்வளோப்பா? 2 lakhs and 80. Just a minute. இல்லையா வந்துச்சா? All the things came here itself. Just wait, I will write again. So first average profit is equal to 2,80,000 minus salary of partner. 2 partners oda salary. First partner oda salary. What is the salary of first partner? 20,000. Second partner oda salary. First partner oda salary 20. Second partner oda salary 30. அப்போ 20,000 plus ஒரு 30,000. Totala salary comes to 50,000. அப்போ 2,80,000 minus 50,000 will give you 2,30,000. இது revised average profit. Next, average profit or normal profit is equal to, what is the formula for normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed question la it is given. Capital employed எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 15 lakhs இருக்கு. அப்போ 15 lakhs into 12%. 15 lakhs into 12% will give you 1,80,000 இல்லை 15 lakh into 12%. Tell me 15 lakhs into 12% will give you 1,80,000. அப்போ ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, நார்மல் ப்ராஃபிட் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. சூப்பர் ப்ராஃபிட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் 2,30,000 minus normal profit. What is the normal profit? 1,80,000. அப்போ ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் minus normal profit 2,30,000 minus 1,80,000 will give you super profit is 50,000. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. அப்போ super profit is 50,000. How many years of purchase? Question la given. படிங்க. Question la goodwill is given as goodwill to be valued on the basis of 2 years purchase. அப்போ goodwill is 2 years purchase. அப்போ this will give you goodwill as 1 lakh. This will give you goodwill as 1 lakh. Definitely these type of questions will come in exam. For sure it will come in exam. This batch is purely examination oriented thing. What is required for exam we are discussing here. One more question. Question number 32. Similar question. Numbers alone changed. Please try. நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. போன கொஸ்டின் மாதிரி தான், எல்லாமே சேம். Question number 32. Please try.
Question number 32, please try. Same like last question, numbers alone changed. What is average profit? What is normal profit? So first we need to find out average profit. Average profit is equal to 3 lakh plus 2 lakh 60 plus 4 lakh divided by 3. Average profit is 3 lakhs 20,000 minus remuneration paid to partner. Salary is each partner it is 20,000. We have 2 partner. Upper 20,000 into 2, remuneration is 40,000. Upper what is the revised average profit? 2 lakhs and 80,000 is the revised average profit. What is normal profit? Normal profit is equal to 20 lakh into 12 percentage. 20 lakh into 12 percentage, 2 lakhs and 40,000. And what is the super profit? Upper super profit is equal to 2 lakh 80 minus 2 lakh 40 will give you 40,000. 40,000 into number of years of purchase. How many years of purchase? It is question like goodwill to be valued on the basis of 4 years of purchase of last 3 years. About 4 years. About 40,000 into 4 will give you 1 lakh and 60,000. That's all. Goodwill is 1 lakh and 60,000. Try one more question. Question number 33. Same type. Question number 33, please try. Simply application of formulas. Capital of the firm S and A is 12 lakh. Market rate of interest nothing but normal rate of return is 10%. Salary of each partner again, both the partner, each partner is 10,000. Profit for last 4 years is given 3 lakh, 4 lakh and 4 lakh. 5 lakh and 4 lakh. Goodwill is valued on the basis of 3 years purchase of last 4 years super profit.
So number of years of purchase you should multiply, find super profit into number of years of purchase will give you goodwill. That's it, 3 marks. From partnership 36 marks will come. So same question. So first average profit. Average profit is equal to 3 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 4 lakh. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16. 16 lakh divided by 4 will give you 4 lakh. In this minus salary 10,000 for each partner. Appa 10,000 plus 10,000 20,000, reduce 20,000 profit. Appa 4 lakh minus 20,000 will give you 3 lakhs and 80,000. Average profit is 3 lakhs and 80,000. Now normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is 12 lakh. 12 lakh into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 10%. 12 lakh into 10% is equal to 1 lakh and 20,000. Appa 3 lakh 80 is average profit, 1 lakh 20 is normal profit. Appa how much is super profit? Super profit is 2 lakh and 60,000. 2 lakh and 60,000 is super profit. Appa goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit is 2 lakh and 60,000. How many years of purchase? Goodwill is valued on the basis of 3 years purchase. Appa 3 years. 2 lakh 60,000 into 3 will give you 7 lakhs and 80,000. Goodwill out of our answer is 7 lakhs and 80,000. Question number 34. S and R are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Capital employed is given as 7 lakh. Average profit is given as 90,000. அவனே capital employed கொடுத்துட்டான், average profit கொடுத்துட்டான். Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 5-year purchase of super profit. Same like last question. Capital employed given, normal rate of return is 10%. Quickly try. All the information straight away available. Only application of formula. Average profit, normal profit, super profit, goodwill. 4 things only. So first, capital employed is 7 lakh. So 7 lakhs into 10%, normal rate of return 70,000. Normal profit is 70,000. Average profit question le கொடுத்துட்டான். Average profit is 90,000. Average profit 90, normal profit is 70. Appa this will give you super profit is 20,000. If super profit is 20,000, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit is 20. 20 into 5 will give you 1 lakh. That's all. Try question number 35. One small change in this. ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் தான். Again, M and S are partners. The firm earned average profit. Question le average profit given. Normal rate of return is also given. Instead of giving directly capital, they have given asset and liability. What is capital? Capital is equal to dash minus dash. Asset minus liability will give you capital. Apply this, find the capital. First find average profit given, normal profit you should find out, and you should find out super profit. Super profit should be multiplied with number of years of purchase, you will be getting goodwill. That's it. Please try. Question number 35. So, first capital employed. Capital employed is equal to asset is 18, liability is 3 lakh. 18 minus 3 will give you 15 lakh. 15 lakh normal profit is equal to 15 lakhs into how much percentage? 10 percentage. 15 lakhs into 10 percentage will give you 1 lakh and 50,000. Average profit questionly given. Average profit is equal to 2 lakhs. Normal profit is 1 lakh. Appa super profit is equal to 50,000. Average profit minus normal profit will give you super profit. Appa super profit should be multiplied with number of years of purchase. How many years of purchase? 3 years of purchase. So goodwill is equal to super profit 50. 50 into 3 will give you 1 lakh and 50,000. That's all. Try question number 36. Same logic. Average profit given. Normal rate of return is 10 percentage. Asset and liability given. Find capital employed. Asset minus liability will give you capital employed. So, capital is 20 minus 5 will give you 15 lakh. 15 lakhs into normal rate of return 10 percentage. 1 lakh and 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 is normal profit. Average profit is 4 lakh. Appa 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 50. 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 50 will give you 2 lakh and 50,000. Appa 2 lakh 50,000 is super profit. How many years of purchase? 2 years of purchase. 2 lakh 50 into 2. Our goodwill is equal to 5 lakhs. That's all. Question number 37. A, K are partners sharing profits and losses equally. They decided to admit V as an equal partner. For the purpose, goodwill is valued. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 4 years purchase of super profit. Balance sheet of the firm is given before admission. Asset, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors, cash is given. Creditors, loan, general reserve given. Capital is given. Normal rate of return is 12% per annum. Average profits of the firm for the last year is 30,000. Same like last question na. But the thing is, instead of giving asset and liability, they have given a balance sheet. From balance sheet, you need to find out the capital employed. Once you find capital employed, you can find out normal rate of return. For finding capital employed, we have two methods. One is liability side approach, another one is asset side approach. If it is asset side approach, all assets should be taken minus outsiders liability should be taken. Creditors and loan should be subtracted. If you take liability side approach, you should add the share capital and reserves and surplus. When I say capital employed, here I am taking what capital employed means. I am taking shareholders fund approach. I didn't include the loan. Loan I treated as loan from outsider. So loan is not included. Alternative answer also possible. You can include this loan in this capital employed. You can take only minus subtract creditors. So what is the best way? It is shareholders fund approach. That is partners or point of view goodwill is valued. When I say capital employed, you can take these two things. What are the two things? 1,40,000 and 20. Or you can do the asset side approach. All assets minus liability. All assets minus liability will give you this capital employed. So, in the question, capital employed கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதா விஷயம். Once you find capital employed, this is same like the previous question which we solved. அப்போ asset ஓட total அவனே கொடுத்துட்டான் 1,90,000. அப்போ 1,90,000 is the asset order total minus liability. Two liability we have, loan and creditor. அப்போ loan if you subtract 25,000 is the loan and creditors if you subtract 5,000. அப்போ if you subtract this two, what is the capital employed you will be getting? 1,90,000 minus 25,000 minus 5,000. You will be getting a capital employed as 1,60,000. Same 1,60,000 we can arrive in another way. We can add the capital. Balance sheet liability side capital evlo 1,40,000, reserve evlo 20. Capital plus reserve also will give you same capital employed 1,60,000. Now question what they are asking, capital employed is 1,60,000. Now from capital employed into normal rate of return. What is the normal rate of return? 12%. Now 1,60,000 into 12% is the normal rate of return, will give you normal profit 19,200. If normal profit is 19,200, average profit is given in the question. Okay, so this question la ketirukadhu V share of goodwill. Once you find total goodwill, and the total goodwill la V oda share. V means new partner oda share. They are getting equal share. Appa new partner oda share is 1/3. When from the total goodwill you apply 1/3, you will be getting V share of goodwill. That's it. So try the remaining things, sir. It is, first tell me average profit evlo and the sum. Average profit question le kudutanna. Average profit it is evlo pa? Average profit for the last 4 years is 30,000. Average profit is 30,000. Then what is the next thing? Normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is what is capital employed? 1,60,000. 1,60,000 into how much percentage is the normal rate of return? Normal rate of return is 12%. Appo 1,60,000 into 12%. 1,60,000 into 12% will give you 19,200. This is normal profit. Appo super profit is equal to 30,000 minus 19,200. 30,000 minus 19,200 will give you super profit 10,800. Appo goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. So super profit is 10,800. Number of years of purchases. How many years of purchase? Question if you see, goodwill is valued at 4 years of purchase. Appo this should be multiplied with 4. Appo goodwill is equal to 10,800 into 4. 43,200 is the goodwill. But remember, this is goodwill of the firm. This is goodwill of the firm. We should not take goodwill of the firm. Question order requirement is V share of goodwill. What is V share of goodwill? V share of goodwill is equal to 43,200 into 1 by 3. 43,200 into 1 by 3 will give you 14,400 is the answer. Next one. S and V are partners. Capital given 4 lakh and 3 lakh. They admitted Prabhas as a new partner for 1/5 share in profit. Prabhas brings 2 lakhs as capital. Prabhas share of goodwill is they are asking. Remember here also they are not asking total goodwill, they are asking Prabhas share of goodwill. Hidden goodwill method. First question solve பண்ணோம்ல அதே மாதிரி. Expected capital minus actual capital. It is first expected capital we should find out. How to find out expected capital? New partner or a capital is 2 lakh. And what is the share? 1 by 5 is the share. For 1/5 it is 2 lakh. Up expected capital is equal to 2 lakh into 5 by 1. 2 lakh into 5 by 1 will give you 10 lakh. 10 lakh is called as dash capital, expected capital. Expected capital is 10 lakh minus actual capital. What is the actual capital? Actual capital of S is 4 lakh. And actual capital of V is 3 lakh. Also actual capital of new partner you should take. Who is the new partner? Prabhas. Prabhas or capital is 2 lakh. But this will give you goodwill. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 10 lakh minus 9 lakh. Goodwill is 1 lakh. But remember, goodwill they didn't ask. They are asking Prabhas share of goodwill. What is Prabhas share of goodwill? 1 lakh is the total goodwill. Adala we should apply 1 by 5. 1 lakh into 1 by 5 will give you 1 lakh into 1 by 5 will give you 20,000. This 20,000 is Prabhas share of goodwill. So answer is D. Next one. Question number 39. I and M were partners. They are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. With effect from 1st April, they agreed to share the profits equally. There is a change in profit sharing ratio. On this date, goodwill of the firm is valued at 3 lakhs. The necessary journal entry for treatment of goodwill without opening goodwill account will be. Actually, this requires one more discussion. Goodwill order discussion. For this, we need to discuss some more accounting treatment for goodwill. Today I will give you the notes for goodwill. Goodwill related notes I will give you. In next class we will start discussing the problem. Also accounting treatment related next class la mudichiruvom. Next class la change in profit sharing ratio also will complete. So next class la nama target will be capital proportionate also I will complete by next class. So next class la 59 questions kitta nama complete பண்ணிடுவோம். Okay. சரி anyway இப்போ நான் அந்த நோட்ஸ் கொடுத்துறேன். goodwill related notes. Accounting treatment related we have some notes for goodwill. On the first page la kuduthirken summary page la if you see accounting treatment for goodwill we have totally 3 methods. These methods I will explain you in the next class. Today I will just give the notes for this. First method is premium method. First entry cash account debit. In premium method entry is cash account debit to premium. Cash account debit to premium. First entry cash account debit to premium. Premium for goodwill. Second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners. In what ratio means sacrificing ratio. In previous class itself we learned sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio will give you sacrificing ratio. In memorandum method, the journal entry for goodwill will be gaining partners capital account debit, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partner, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners. In memorandum method, the entry will be gaining partners account debit, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners. If it is partly premium, partly memorandum, entry will be cash account debit, gaining partners capital account debit, cash account debit, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partner, in sacrificing ratio. Always for goodwill we require what ratio means sacrificing ratio. In this journal entry, sometimes instead of using capital account, we will use current account. So capital or current account depends upon method of capital. Capital or current depends upon method of capital. If it is fixed capital system, use current account. If it is fluctuating capital system, use capital account. If it is fixed capital system, use current account. If it is fluctuating capital system, use capital account. Sacrificing ratio is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. Sacrificing ratio is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. Balance sheet, if you have some existing goodwill, idoda meaning it is purchased goodwill. Existing balance sheet, if you have any goodwill, that is meaning it is purchased goodwill. Purchased goodwill should be transferred to old partners in old ratio. Purchased goodwill should be transferred to old partners in old ratio. If goodwill is paid privately, no entry will come for this. When goodwill is paid privately, no entry will come for this. When goodwill is withdrawn by partners, entry partners capital account debit to cash. This goodwill related entry la normal entry da capital account debit to cash. When goodwill is brought in kind, upper entry will be asset account debit, to sacrificing partners. Asset account debit to sacrificing partners in what ratio means sacrificing ratio. That's all. So maximum goodwill related ivlo dhan therinjirukanum. Accounting treatment irukku. All the things consolidated are given. For everything we will do a problem in next class. Next class we will do a problem on this. Idhula problem வந்து next class solve பண்ணும். இது ஒரு வாட்டி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. That's it. So in today's class we just discuss only simple things. First valuation of goodwill. Goodwill ku average profit method, super profit method, capitalization method we have. adula நம்ம problem solve பண்ணோம். Plus we discussed some more questions on minimum guaranteed profit. Two types of guarantee, guarantee by partner and guarantee by firm. Also we discussed some more issues relating to interest on drawings. அவ்வளவுதான் இன்னைக்கு படிச்சோம். That's it. So next class we will complete goodwill, also change in profit sharing ratio. Change in profit sharing ratio very important. Every time it is tested in exam. Normally students are finding difficulty in change in profit sharing ratio. We will have a shortcut for that. So in next class we will discuss that. So next class paapom. Bye bye. நாளைக்கு next class paapom. சரியா?
Recording
Any other
stopped.
doubts you have, you can ask. Okay, bye bye. During Pongal holidays, yeah, all the things I will teach. பொங்கல் ஹாலிடேஸ் அப்படின்லாம் இது பண்ணல, ஒரு ஆர்டரில் தான் போகிறோம், ப்ரையாரிட்டி வைஸ். டோன்ட் வரி, ஆல் த